How to sign in on Steam web browser. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to sign in on Steam web browser, so please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. These steps are the same like you do on your computer, but in this case I'm going to show you these steps on my phone. So first of all, you must go to your browser and write Steam, and now you're going to get into the first option. As you can see, the app is going to be open because I already have the app. But if you don't want that to happen, you have to go back to your browser and click on the three dots on top of your screen, and now desktop site. This is almost one of the last options. And if you do that, I really recommend you to hold your finger on the link and now open in a new tab in group. Now I'm going to the tab and I'm right now on my Steam browser account. Remember, you can click on the three dots on top of your screen and desktop side to see the page properly. So when you're in your computer, you'll have to go to the three lines at the left and now click on login. And after that, you must sign in with your account name and ultimately with your password. And that's it. This is how to sign in on Steam web browser. Thanks for watching.